Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my March Boxy Charm, and this came quite late, so it's probably going to come up a little bit later. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new and you're returning, welcome back and thank you for joining us. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click on that little bell before you leave so you are getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. Let's just dive right into it. So this month is called Vacation. I like this. It looks very tropically. Okay, so first off in here I see this right here. I may have seen a few already unboxings, so I kind of know what's in some of them. So there are a few things in here I'm not going to try on, but that is why I'm not wearing eyeshadow and no blush and stuff like that. So up first is this. Oh, I just broke it, I think. Whew. No, alright. So it is the Pretty Vulgar blush, and it's called Make Them Blush, and this is in number 111, and it's called Prim Vixen, and that is the color. It's quite pink. I'm just gonna do a swatch. Well, that's what it looks like on my skin. This might not be that bright on my face, which is cool. So just a regular standard brush. I'm just going to put some blush on. Oh, that's a pretty color. That might be too much, but I actually like that color. It's pretty nice. It blends really nice into my bronzer, so it's nice. Let's put a little bit more on this side. Oh, that went bright fast. Let's see if I can blend that out. It's a bit rosy, but it is pretty. So that is the Pretty Vulgar. I have seen quite a bit of kick up on these, and this one didn't kick up, so that's pretty awesome. So maybe the person that I watched that was getting a whole lot of kickback, theirs was just a bit too dry or whatever the case may be, but I really like that. So the Pretty Vulgar blush retails for $26. So up next in here is this. Oh, that's falling right out. Okay. And this is the Bella Pierre. This is called the Volumizing Mascara. So it's just your standard everyday kind of mascara looking. And I'm assuming it's just in black. This is what the wand looks like. It's pretty nice. I'm not actually going to try this. I have so many mascaras on the go right now that I'm not even gonna get through them in the next year probably, and they're all gonna go dry anyway, so I'm not gonna actually open this and start using it. I might actually give this to a friend because I have so many mascaras. So that mascara is $20. Well, okay, I hope it's nice. Then next in here is this right here, and this is the South Main eye gel package. So in here there are 3 under eye gel packagings, and they are to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisture eye area. Apparently they say to use promptly after opening, and you're supposed to use them for 3 consecutive days, which is great that we have 3 of them. So obviously I am not going to try them right now. I'm wearing makeup, so if you guys would like to see if they actually do what they say, leave me a comment in the comments below, and I will do 3 consecutive days for you guys so you can see how my bags actually look good with these, if they actually do. The under eye gels, okay, so that's not bad. It's $10 for all 3 of these, so that's good. Up next is this little box right here, and I was super excited to see when somebody pulled these out. And this here is the Smoky Eye Brush Set from the Vintage Cosmetics Company, or Cosmetic Company. And so there are 3 brushes in here. So these are what the brushes look like, and on the back they say step 1, step 2, and step 3. So it's supposed to be 1, 2, and 3. And this one says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3, go girl go. So I'm assuming this is to put the eyeshadow on, this is to blend it out, and this is to kind of smudge. That's probably what I'm going to use them for. So the Vintage Brush Set is $23.15, sorry. That is very to the point, but okay. So the last thing in here, a palette in here. This is what it comes in. And this is the Pure and Boxy Charm collaboration palette. And I obviously knew this was coming in them because I'm not wearing eyeshadow. So let's crack this open and take a look at it. Oh, it just fell out. So that is what it looks like. Ooh, I'm kind of living for these colors right here. So I am going to use these brushes. Oh, also the Boxy Charm palette was $36. That's not bad for a palette though, especially from Pure. I have a few extra brushes that are from Morphe and just a random brush that I have that I figured I might need if these ones didn't quite work out for the whole look. Let's just jump right into this lovely eyeshadow look I'm gonna do today. So that is kind of what I created with this palette. I used 6 different colors. Obviously there's some dark ones in there. Figured I'd put the pop of blue on the bottom just to kind of pop and try to use another color. I did find that some of them aren't as bright as I thought they'd be. Like the blue one isn't as bright as I thought it would be. And when I was trying to blend out this one here, it was okay. And then as you saw, I had to use some concealer to make this one stick. There was quite a bit of kickback on some of these ones here, but I don't mind a little bit of that if the palette is actually good and it works. So that is the look. Well, that was everything in this month's Boxy Charm. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!